the quiet of the evening, under starlit skies, I trace the memories of you in the moonlight's eyes. Every whisper of the wind calls your name to me. In the silence of my heart, you're my melody. Time can fade the colors, steal the light away, but my love's a flame that burns through night and